Performance, 516 horsepower with dual-motor all-wheel drive. Acceleration, 0-60 miles per hour in 4.1 seconds. Range, 350 miles on a full charge. Interior, a luxurious cabin with high-quality materials, MBUX hyperscreen, and sustainable finishes. Technology, advanced driver assistance systems, including semi-autonomous driving and voice-activated controls. The Mercedes-Benz EQS 584 Matic is a luxury electric sedan that offers unmatched comfort, advanced technology, and sustainable performance, creating an unforgettable driving experience. Performance, 408 horsepower with dual-motor all-wheel drive. Acceleration, 0-60 miles per hour in 4.7 seconds. Range, 260 miles per charge. Interior, a sleek, minimalist design with sustainable fabrics, vegan leather, and a 12.3-inch digital display. Technology, Google integration, Android Auto, and real-time navigation powered by AI. The Polestar 2 is a Swedish electric sedan that delivers a minimalist design combined with eco-friendly materials and technology. It's perfect for those who prioritize sustainability without sacrificing performance. Longer range. With advancements in battery technology, many electric sedans in 2025 offer ranges over 300 miles on a single charge, making them more practical for long drives. Sustainability. Electric sedans are leading the charge in eco-friendly materials, with more brands using vegan leather, recycled fabrics, and sustainable finishes in their interiors. Advanced tech. The latest electric sedans come equipped with AI-powered systems, semi-autonomous driving features, and over-the-air software updates to keep the vehicle up to date with the latest technology. Performance focus. Electric sedans are no longer just eco-friendly alternatives. They are high-performance vehicles offering blazing fast acceleration, precise handling, and impressive top speeds.